everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm gonna make a box with the decoupage technique. I'm using this box, this white paint, this decoupage glue, these napkins, paper napkins and scissors, or at the end I'm gonna use a pocket knife because that's easier and I don't have a knife, or I had a knife for crafting but I lost it, so I'm just painting this box. I'm usually using acrylic paint because that's not broke and it's good when you do paint something that's moving and this stuff, because I don't want these little cracks on it. So I'm painting the whole stuff because for decoupage you need a white base, and when it's drying I'm just separating the napkins layers because I only want one layer. I'm working with one layer on the box and I'm cutting the places that I want, or I'll cut later on it. On this board that I'm working on it, you can still see the red from my cosplay. That was a fun time. And now, as you see, I start to cut. This red one was already one layer. It was an easy one, and I don't like. I started cutting with the scissors, but that was just catastrophe. So I brought a ruler and my pocket knife and I just did it like that. That was so much easier. And this red was on the sides, the Santa Claus with the little deer. It was on the top, and I covered everything else with the green napkin. With this is a beautiful one, I think. I love it so much. It looks beautiful. And this technique, how I did the cutting, it was super easy and beautiful. I love it so much. So this is how I've done it, and just see, I don't want to talk through the whole stuff. And that's the finished box. I really love the technique decoupage. As you notice, this is I don't know how my second decoupage video, or I don't know, but I really loved making this, and it ended up looking super great. And yeah, that was it. If you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There's lots of links in the description that you should check out. And see you in the next video. Bye!